The only clue we have are these strange leaves with holes in them.
And come to think of it, we haven't heard the tree talk in a while. Maybe the critter with the spooky voice is gone?
Go away!
Guess not.
But it came from a different tree. Whoever it is, they must be on the move.
Get out! Right now!
It's moving from tree to tree. Come on, after it.
Go away!
This way!
Get out of here! Leave! Right now!
Over there.
Go away! Leave!
This way!
Go away!
This is the last tree in the area.
It's got nowhere left to go now.
Get out!
It's coming from right above us.
Huh? We just heard it right here.
The only thing here is another leaf with a hole in it.
Oh, hello again.
Aren't you that tree cricket we met earlier?
Yep, just me. Harmless little tree cricket.
We thought we heard that big spooky voice up here.
No big voice creatures around here. Guess I'll be on my way. Bye!
Wait! These are your leaves we've been finding.
Leaves? What leaves?
Whoa!
Oops.
Hang on. Can you say biscuits?
Biscuits?
Now again, but this time with the leaf in front of you.
Biscuits!
It's a match. This tree cricket's been using leaves like a megaphone to make his voice louder.
Of course! I've heard of tree crickets doing that, but I've never seen it myself.
All right. You got me. I use leaves to make myself sound extra loud because I'm so small.
But why have you been trying to scare everyone away?
Those wolves were being too noisy. I have friends all over the forest, and the ones that live far away couldn't hear my chirps. It's how we talk. That was my friend Francis. He asked why everyone's been talking about biscuits lately.
Come on. I think it's time for you to turn over a new leaf and apologize for scaring everyone.
So the tree wasn't talking?
Nope. Just this tree cricket.
Sorry for all the trouble.
Huh? What'd he say?
I said sorry for all the trouble!
Whoa, such a big voice for such a little dude!
He had to make his voice extra loud because his friends couldn't hear him over the noise you were making.
Maybe you can stop working at night when the tree crickets wake up.
Yeah, I can even tell you when it's time to stop working for the day. Time to stop!
Yeah!
Yeah, I like it. Works for us.
Oh!